Jamaica should be prepared. And I'm saying this bearing in mind what has happened to the Bahamas. Jamaicans should be prepared. And this means stocking up on the supplies that you would need in the event of a storm, your candles, your batteries, your canned food, your water supply, warm clothing. Also, Mr. Speaker, I want to take the opportunity to say to persons who live in low-lying areas or areas that have in the past been flood-prone or have been affected in times of hurricanes, that whilst your property is important, I would think that your life is more important than your property. And so it is wise, now we are in the hurricane season, to start putting together your alternative plans. Make contact with those relatives that you have in safer areas or friends that you have in the event that you have to evacuate. Plan out your routes, your mode of transportation if the worst should happen. Mr. Speaker, we have already started as a government to put in place our response plans. We always have plans in place. The OPM and all the agencies that are involved in first response in the event of a hurricane, we always have these plans in place. We're meeting constantly. But given what has happened in 2017, when we experienced 2 Category 5 hurricanes that wiped out entire countries, and then what has happened now, I believe we have to intensify our planning. And I have always held the view that when we were threatened by Hurricane Matthew, that it is important that the Parliament is mobilized. And so I'm urging MPs to start thinking in this way, looking in your constituency to see the communities that may be at risk, start to make contact with them so that they are prepared to move if they have to move. Start the conversation about evacuation and how you will secure those areas that are evacuated. All of those pre-planning is necessary for recovery and resilience.